Yeah. There was a great group of people called the Mayan civilization. Central America and Mexico, yeah, that was their location. It started 5,000 years ago, but there's a classic period. It began in AD 250, went on to AD 900. They had some great architecture and ideas about producing food. They also had some cool beliefs. The number 0 they valued.
The Mayan civilization, let's show our appreciation. The Mayan civilization, let's show our appreciation.
First, let's go to architecture. Most recognizable are the pyramids. These were different than the ones in Egypt in a few ways. I'll tell you about it. They had a bunch of steps and a nice big temple way up at top. They didn't bury kings in theirs, but built and used them non-stop. Temples sat on the tops of pyramids so they were closer to the heavens. Before the pyramids, incense were burned. Yeah, that's just what happened. Also, there were tons of statues appearing almost everywhere, on staircases and roofs and columns of gods and goddesses for prayer. Architecture was very important in the Mayan civilization. We can even see some of them remains of those impressive creations.
The Mayan civilization, let's show our appreciation. The Mayan civilization, let's show our appreciation.
Next, let's talk about religion. In that time, there were many different ones. The Maya's religion had lots of gods, and Quetzalcoatl was the god of the sun. Ixtab was known as Rope Woman, goddess of suicide. People committed it for honor, just like the Japanese samurai. The Maya gave corn, fruit, and animals to gain the favor of the gods. These were all sacrifices on the pyramids that rose above the plazas. Also, sometimes humans were offered for the major favors from deities. They would be killed ceremonially by cutting out their heart. Yeah, that was their history.
The Mayan civilization, let's show our appreciation. The Mayan civilization, let's show our appreciation.
Now, let's get into food. The people didn't just rely on the fields. They grew lots of things like beans and squash, and the main crop corn they picked and peeled. The Maya also liked chocolate. Archaeologists found from murals and paintings. They sweetened it and drank it, even added chili to it with no complaining. The beans were held in jars with carvings of gods and goddesses' faces. Some date back to 500 BC, earlier than any other chocolate drinking traces. Farmers of the civilization used a technique called slash and burn, cut down the forest and set on fire. The ashes fertilized so they didn't have to be churned. Also built were terraces or flat steps and hillsides. They gave more land for crops to grow and off the hill so the soil wouldn't slide.
The Mayan civilization, let's show our appreciation. The Mayan civilization, let's show our appreciation.
Now, the Mayan civilization was a great and incredible one too. They even created things that still affect me and you. They created the concept of zero, which opened the door for tons of things. Now negative numbers are possible, for math 0 is its wings. Without the number 0, there would be no theory of gravity. We wouldn't know the difference between the numbers 5 and 50. Temperatures wouldn't be the same, there would be no freezing point in Celsius. 0 means none, and it really is glorious. The Mayan civilization's concept of nothing at all is definitely a turning point in history. It totally changed mathematics, y'all. The Maya had great architecture and ideas about producing food. They also had some cool beliefs in the number 0 they valued. So there was a group of people called the Mayan civilization. They accomplished many amazing things. Let's show our appreciation.